So our goal was to order this list here. So as we go through and order this, I'm going to represent each of these with a line segment, length of a line segment. So we're starting with the unit circle. So if I start with cosine 18, Haley, drag that to 18 degrees. It's on 18. So guys, is cosine the horizontal or the vertical? Horizontal, okay? So this guy here, so cosine of 18, that guy here. So I think just on that line, I'm going to write cosine of 18. Okay, next, we're going with sine 40. So Haley, take us to 40 degrees. Alright, for sine the horizontal or the vertical? Vertical, okay. So, we're at our 40 degrees. This guy here, that's our sine 40. Okay, now take us to 230. So it's a cosine. Is that an x being a horizontal distance or a y distance for cosine? It's horizontal. So when you think about a graph, horizontal, that's x, right? So we've got our 230. The x is right in here. So that's cosine. How much was that? What angle? 230. Okay, now go to 60, Haley. 60 degrees. Okay, it's cosine. Is that the x or the y? That's the x. Okay. So I'm at 60 degrees. I go to the x. So this guy from here to here. That's cosine of 60. Okay, 1 degree here. Okay, guys, sine the x or the y? Y. So is the sine of 1 degree very big? No. Okay. So my diagram's getting kind of jumbled here, but it's really small. So over here, sine of 1 degree. So this line segment is super short. Okay, that takes us to the sine of 90 degrees.
It's the longest.
That's the longest. How long is it?
It's 1.
1? Okay. So from the top down. So that's 1. Kind of finding trouble fitting it on the diagram. We'll just put it over here. Sine 90. Okay, we're halfway there. 160. Are we looking at the x or the y? X. Okay. So 160 to x. Okay. 290. Is that the x or the y? It's y. Y. 290. So that's this distance. Okay, I'll put it over here. Goes from here. Oh, I wish that was a straight line. We're okay. Sine 290. So as far as size-wise, is that sine of 290 going to be on the right, like big positive, or on the left, big negative? Right, big positive. Negative? Big negative or small negative on sine of 290? Big, yeah. I mean, it looks like this. That blue segment there is pretty big, and it's negative. Okay, we're almost there. Cosine of pi over 6. Pi over 6 is, pi over 6 radians is 30 degrees. So is this the x or the y? That's the x, okay. So, that's the x. Okay, we're almost there, almost there. Sine of 3 pi over 4. 3 pi over 4 is how many degrees? 135, okay, Maggie, take us to 135. 80, take us to 135. 135, we looking at the x or the y, guys? Y, okay. So that's here. Here. And that's, was that sine or cosine? Sine. Sine of how many degrees? 135. Or sine of 3 pi over 4? Oh my gosh, we're almost there. 2 more. Cosine 71. Take us to 71. Okay, you're looking at the x or the y? X. So we're at 71 degrees, looking at the x. So this little guy is that's the x right there. Right there. That's cosine 71. So it's just lengths of lines. We've got one more to go. 19. We're looking at the x or the y at this 19 degree. Y, okay. So that's here. So we'll go from here. And that was sine of 19. Okay, now what I think is kind of cool with this is now you're just looking at lengths of a line segment. So all you gotta do is say, what's the longest segment, what's the shortest segment. Some of them are close, and we'll talk tomorrow about, well, how can you determine, but good job.